Hey guys, this is CJ from GiGadgets. Today we're testing out Mark Cuban's Homecourt app to see if it can help me become a better three-point shooter. Let's shoot some hoops. Homecourt is a basketball training app for iPhone that uses AI technology to record, track, and create real-time shooting chart. It takes me about 10 seconds to set it up, and it tracks my shot really well. It doesn't matter where in the court I am, it will let me know if my shot went in or not. But it does have limitations, it only works on a hoop with a net. The app also comes with a few drills you can do, and the data you get from it is simply amazing. With my AirPod, the audio function will tell me how much I sucked and what my shooting records are.
0 out of 5.
You can also see other people's workouts through the app and try to get on the leaderboard. Speaking of which, I gotta give a shout out to Mr. James Poley, who not only made 409 free throws in a row, but also 93s in a row as well. The free version of the app will track 3,000 shots a month, or you can upgrade to the Unlimited Pro version for $7.99 a month or $69.99 a year. The Pro version of the app will unlock even more workout and even track your shooting science. You can also win prizes on global challenges. Today I'm gonna try the left wing specialist drill. Let's go. This challenge tests how well I can shoot threes from the left wing. My score is determined by how many I can make out of 15. After each shot, the app records my score on the bottom of the screen. The app also records my position on the court, as well as the trajectory of my shots. So 10 out of 15 is my final score. Not my best, but good enough to rank me number 32 on the global leaderboard. The Homecourt app revealed just how far away my performance is from a pro with data. Well, according to the app, my shots needs about 10 degrees more arc, and I need to cut down my release time by a half. I tried to practice at the intensity the app recommended, and I was throwing bricks all day. But it's great to know exactly where your shots need to be worked, down to a tenth of a second or a single degree. Aside from the shooting drill, the dribbling drill are a little bit too hard to see on an iPhone. It might work better on an iPad. Overall, I would say the Homecourt app is pretty amazing, with investors like Mark Cuban, Jeremy Lin, and Steve Nash. I find myself using it even when I'm not playing basketball. I mean, who can resist watching someone sinking 100 threes in a row? I'll tweet my honest shooting drill results from the link below, and you can tweet us your results if you want to challenge us. Thanks for watching.